Welcome to the WION Podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore the rare May 2026 blue moon, why sky watchers are excited about it, and the surprising truth behind the myth that the moon actually turns blue. It's a rare sky event that makes the moon feel even more fascinating than usual. May 2026 features a blue moon towards the end of the month. It will be a micromoon, which occurs when a full moon reaches apogee, its greatest distance from Earth. The May 1st flower moon was the first micromoon of 2026, and the upcoming occurrence will be the most distant micromoon of 2026. A blue moon doesn't mean it appears blue. In fact, the term has an interesting origin and dual meaning. In ancient times, it was known as the moon is not blue. A blue moon was a rare occurrence that happened only every few years. This is also what led to it being turned into a phrase to signify something rare and impossible. May 2026 will offer sky watchers a rare and fascinating lunar event with a double full moon display. The month begins with the beautiful flower moon on May 1st and ends with a rare blue moon appearing overnight on May 30th to 31. This blue moon is known as a calendar month blue moon because it is the second full moon occurring within the same calendar month, an event that usually happens only once every 2 to 3 years. Interestingly, this full moon will also be a micromoon, meaning the moon will appear smaller and dimmer than usual because it will be at the farthest point in its orbit around Earth. In fact, it will be the most distant full micromoon of 2026, appearing around 12 to 14% smaller than a supermoon and about 7% smaller than an average full moon. Despite its name, the blue moon will not actually appear blue in color. Adding to the celestial spectacle, the moon will shine close to Antares, the brightest star in the Scorpius constellation, creating a stunning sight in the night sky. In modern times, a blue moon is the second full moon in the same month. However, this happened because of a mistake. A 1946 article in Sky and Telescope had the author inadvertently simplifying an older definition from the Maine Farmer's Almanac. In an article called Once in a Blue Moon, James Hugh Pruitt wrote, 7 times in 19 years there were, and still are, 13 full moons in a year. This gives 11 months with 1 full moon each and 1 with 2. This second in a month, so I interpret it, was called blue moon. However, originally the name blue moon was used for the third full moon in a season if it was followed by a fourth full moon. This was the period between a solstice and an equinox, or vice versa. Typically, each season only has 3 full moons in its 3 months. But, because of the 19-year cycle, a mathematical rhythm between the Earth and the moon, we sometimes get 4 moons in one season. The third moon in such a season is known as the blue moon. The next seasonal blue moon will occur on May 20th, 2027. The May 2026 monthly blue moon reaches its peak illumination on. In India, this corresponds to Sunday, May 31st, 2026, at 2:15 p.m. IST. Being daytime, the moon will be below the horizon during its exact crest, but it will appear full and bright on both nights. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.